I spray my face even though I put on such little makeup because my hope is that it'll force my eyebrows to stay on my face. Because sometimes it doesn't.
Peeps, we're back at Santiago's because we have to eat before the photo shoot, right, babe?
Nah.
No. Yes. Yes. Come on, babe. Yes.
I'm trying to smile. I'm just hungry.
We have not eaten today yet, and it's basically 1 o'clock. I was cleaning the kitchen, and it was my job to cook breakfast. And then I got carried away cleaning the kitchen. So the kitchen's clean. But we decided that it's in our best interest to cook. Santiago's is where it is at, okay? And I'll attest to that aspect when you were. Soon to be your on-screen crush. So we just finished our photo shoot for the day. It started at 2. It's like what, 5?
It is 5:30.
It's 5:30, so it lasted about, he got here like 1:30, so it lasted about, 3 hours. 3, it's a change. It was done by 4:50, but it was a friend, and so with friend photo shoot, you just kind of kiki for most of the time, and it takes a longer time. But now we're gonna do some photos. Since all the equipment's set up, we're gonna do some photos for our website, for our photography website, because we're sort of rebranding. And then we're gonna put away the equipment, get some work done that we have to do for all the jobs. And then we're going to go visit family. So it's gonna be a good day, and I think we're gonna come home and have chili, and I'm gonna try to make sweet hush puppies. Oh no, but I think I'm gonna try to make sweet hush puppies with a hush puppy is like a ball of dough, but it's corn dough, and so it'll be like the arepas mixed with like, you remember the puff that we had? It's like arepas mixed with puff.
I thought it was like you get a puppy and then it starts to bark and you say, hush puppy. I'm just kidding.
Basically, we made a little bit of progress on the kitchen today, organization-wise, that can be sort of sustainable, and that's a dub for me. I learned that there's a difference between like tidying, decluttering, organizing, and cleaning. Those are all different things, and I used to feel like crap when people were like, yeah, no, it took me 10 minutes to clean. I'm like, wow, what is wrong with me that it doesn't take me 10 minutes to clean? But it's because if everything is cluttered, cleaning is gonna look different. If there's no home for anything, it's gonna look different. So I feel way more at peace with a little bit of decluttering and organizing I've done, and I'm gonna continue to do it in little pockets the next couple weeks to just make sure our home, if everything has a place, then it's way easier to clean. But I feel good about it. I feel like I'm learning through this and kind of coming up with it on, like, I feel like I'm coming to. Not like I'm coming up with it on my own, but like I'm finally figuring something out that had been a mystery to me for a long time. Was this like clean every day, because when I clean in my head, you have to take everything out and get it right. But that is something you do maybe once a month, and then you declutter once every couple months. Like, it's a whole thing. So we'll figure it out. But anyway, let's go take some photos. Oh yeah, I'll take Sprite. Oh baby, you've secured nothing but sugar. At this point, we're just stress eating sugar.